What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. I am so happy that you clicked the button to watch your girl today. Today on the platter, we will be unboxing my Ipsy PR box. I want to show you guys what you can expect in the month of June for your Glam bag and Glam bag plus. So if you guys are interested in seeing what's in this baby right here, baby, don't move. It's coming soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, so really quick, I want to say happy Pride Month. It's June, guys. I forgot to say it in my other video, but happy Pride Month. Yeah! We just love the LGBTQ community over here, boo, on Tonyanicole's channel. So happy Pride Month, my loves. Happy June. As I told you guys before, June is the start of hurricane season for us, and I am not looking forward to it, y'all. So let's be prayerful, keep our fingers crossed, toes crossed, whatever you believe in, that the hurricanes just pass by Louisiana and Florida and all of the states this year, okay? Yes. So as I said in the intro, guys, we're doing the Ipsy Glam bag and Glam bag plus that I get in PR. I'm fumbling all over the words. I just got off from work, y'all. Now, this is a beat that I put on after work. I don't go to work looking like this. Trust me. If y'all would see me at work, it'd be like, who the hell is that? Girl. Anywho, I do not have a drink today, but I do want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. Y'all know I appreciate you all dearly. All right, so y'all know choice was a couple days ago, and actually my choice items were not bad, guys. I had a lot of makeup this month, and I did ask you guys what you got. I even picked up this Complex Cultures, like a highlighter, blush, and bronzer kit with a Complex Culture brush. Y'all know I'm like a fiend for them, so I'm very excited to get that. So let's open this baby, because I did not cut her open. I ain't watched no videos, so I don't know what people got. So, yeah, boo, let's see. Alrighty, so here is our little card, and the theme for the month is Do You, Boo. Well, not the boo, but do you. And y'all know we do not get any product prices or anything in the PR boxes. So I'm just going to like quickly go through the box to show you guys some of the things that they sent over to me and some of the things you can expect in your box. It says bold moves only. This month, amp up everything that makes you happy. Glitter lines, rainbow accents, and celebrate the beauty that comes from being you. And I definitely want you guys to celebrate being you, because y'all are so special. Yes. So let's go, because I've been chatting. So here is the bag for the month. This is the Glam bag, guys. This one is $12 a month. You get like 5 full size. That's a lie. You get 5 deluxe sample size products with the occasional full size in this little bag. I am definitely feeling the vibe in this bag. The lipstick, the eyelash, the rainbow, like, yes, boo. So let's open her up and let's see what we got. First up on top, we got from Grow Gorgeous. And this is a strengthening hair and scalp mask. And that's what that is looking like right there, my loves. You do get 30 milliliters of product in here, and it's from Intelligent Hair Care. All right, so you're going to massage this product into your hair and scalp. After you use the repair shampoo, leave on for 5 minutes, and after the 5 minutes, you're going to rinse it out. So, okay, I don't know if I would use this. I'll see. I don't know. Let me see. It has a safety seal. Yes. So, okay, cool. We get a hair care product, and it's always good to get a strengthening hair and scalp mask, because, you know, it's summer. We go swimming a lot, so we don't want our hair to be stripped and damaged. So I'm not really mad with this. Y'all know I don't like hair care, but I ain't mad with this. Okay. Up next, my loves, we have from Anastasia Beverly Hills right here. And this is a liquid lipstick in the shade Crush. I could look at this little shade from the outside and see it ain't gonna work for your girl. But let's see. Let's see how it's looking. Ooh, yeah, no. All right, guys. So that's what it is looking like right there. I do love Anastasia's their liquid lipsticks. The formula is really nice. It's not super drying, but this little color right here, that just will not work for me. So I'll be putting this in a future giveaway or passing it along to someone at work or whatever. So that's our second product. Next up, we have from Glam Glow, and this is the Super Mud Clearing Treatment. It's a mask right there, my loves. This is definitely a little baby size, and you do get 0.24 ounces of product in here. You're gonna apply a thin layer to clean skin and leave on for about 5 to 20 minutes. That's a big range, huh? Yeah. Use as a full face mask 1 to 3 times a week and use it as directed. Y'all know if irritation occurs, take it off. And yeah, boo, I love Glam Glow. This is a little bitty sample, guys, but I do love a face mask. It has a safety seal, so we will not be opening this little baby. Alrighty, 2 more products. And next up we have from Tarte, and this is the Tartiest. I think this is like a little mascara. Yeah, it's a lash paint mascara, and it is black. Ooh, that's the little wand right there. Really cute. I love Tarte's mascaras, and I love getting these little bitty ones because when I travel, I can take these instead of my big ones. So I don't mind getting this. And then last up, we have from Gerard Cosmetics, and this is an external eyeliner right there. I think this is like full size. Let's open this up. So this is what it's looking like outside of the wrapper. And let's see. Okay, I don't know if this is full size or not. I think it is, guys, but that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna swatch a little bit. Ooh, that's a nice black sharp line. Love it. I could use that to definitely do this wing that I've been practicing. Girl, I just cannot get it right. But I'm happy to see Gerard Cosmetics. I do love this brand, and I'm excited about this little liner. So that was all, guys, in our little bag this month. We got the Gerard Cosmetics eyeliner. We got the ABH liquid lipstick in Crush. We have this hair mask right here. We have the Tarte mascara and this little Glam Glow mask. So that's all that we got in this bag. I thought it was okay. I do love seeing ABH and Tarte in these bags. I mean, getting sample sizes, I know a lot of people don't like, but it does give you a chance to try out the product to see if you like it. So I'm not mad about the Glam bag. I thought it was pretty decent. It was actually kind of makeup heavy. I have 3 makeup products out of 5. So I'm happy with this, okay? Now let's move on to the Plus. So this is the bag for the Plus this month, my love. Same thing. I love it. It's giving me cute vibes. I don't really care for these drawstring bags like that. So I just like when I give products away, I'll put one of these in it because I don't really have a use for them. Now with the Glam Bag Plus, you do get 5 full-size products, and it's supposed to have a value of around $120. So let's see what the Glam Bag Plus have for us, boo. I wish I had a drink for a dance break and a drink break, but I'm lame tonight, y'all. I'm sorry. All right, guys. So first up, we have from Benefit, and this is the Professional Super Setter. This is a long-lasting makeup setting spray. Now, I think this may be a sample size. You get 15 milliliters of product. This is a new product from Benefit Cosmetics. So I think this maybe was supposed to go in the bag, and the Gerard Cosmetics was supposed to be in the Plus. I'm not sure, but I think this is a sample product. But anyway, this is a multitasking microfine mist that leaves your skin feeling smooth, refreshed, and hydrated. It instantly blurs pores, locks on makeup for 16 hours, and feels weightless, and is alcohol free. Okay, yeah, this is definitely like a little sample size. So that is so cute. And let's take it out and do the little mister. Okay, oh yeah. Oh, it's a nice super fine mist. I love it. And I'm definitely going to use this. I do love their Professional Primer. It works amazing on my oily skin. So I'm excited to see this and definitely excited to use this little product. I am. Next up, we have from Thrive Cosmetics, which I love. And this is the Eye Lift 360 Waterproof Primer right here. I do love Thrive Cosmetics. It is, ooh. So this is an Eye Revive Complex Primer. You get 8 milliliters of product, and this is the translucent matte. All right, guys, that's what we're looking like outside. And I told you you get 8 milliliters of product, right? Yes. All right. That's what the applicator looks like. And we're going to put a little bit on the back of the hand. Okay, that's what it looks like right there. I probably have to squeeze this to mix it up just a little bit. Let me read on this really quick. It says, this is an age-defying eye primer that works 360 degrees around your eyes to create the perfect crease-proof, color-boosting canvas for eyeshadow and concealer while reducing the look of lines. Ooh. Apply to bare lids or under your eyes. Let it set on for 30 seconds. Then apply your shadow or concealer. Okay, I am absolutely excited for this. And it says to wear alone on your eyelids or brow bone and under your eye area to blur discoloration and dark circles. And I do have dark circles, so I will be giving this a little go. I am so happy to see this. Okay, next up is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. You get 20 milliliters of product in here. I did receive this in my Ipsy Glam Bag X with Khloe Kardashian, so I'm kind of shocked to see it this month. But yeah, it's a booster that's formulated with Rosa something and pure gold to enhance the natural radiance of your skin for a covenant dewy lit from within complexion. So yeah, guys, I did receive this one already, so I will not be using this product. I'm gonna put it in a giveaway, but that's how it looks. It's a beautiful bottle. I love the packaging, and you get 20 milliliters of product in here. Almost done, guys. Don't want to keep y'all too long. Okay, so next up we have this right here, and it appears to be a brush set. Y'all know I love a good brush. And ooh, these are super cute. Okay, this is from, who is this from? SL Miss Glam. I think that's how you say it, SL Miss Glam. And it's these little, it's a 5-piece brush set. So you get 3 eye brushes here. These are very pretty. I do love the handles. The handles are like full of this like confetti looking stuff. There's 2 little rhinestones here. This is like a foundation brush or like a powder brush here. And then you get a highlighter brush or like a tapered face brush. They're really nice. They feel soft. And then you get these 3 eye brushes. So it's a 5-piece brush set. And I love a good brush, y'all, so I am happy to see this in the box. Let me know if you chose this as your choice item, because I am feeling these brushes. They're so like festive. And then last up, my loves, we have a palette. And this is from Otherworldly, and it's an 8 shadow palette right here. Navigate the world from your own true north. That's what the packaging is looking like. We open it up. Ooh, okay. So we do get a mirror. Hey, love. And these are the shades right there. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if I'm going to use this one, so I won't swatch it, but I'm going to tell you right now, this green shade, oh, it's gorgeous. These 2 up here are beautiful. I'm feeling this palette, and I think you can make a lot of cute looks with this. So I'm happy to see that. Yes. And I do love that they are kind of following like this rainbow type theme for Pride Month. So yes, loves. Okay. That was all that we got in our plus for this month. So we got a 5-piece brush set. We got this eyeshadow palette. We have from 111 Skin, this Radiance Booster. From Benefit, the Super Setter. And then from Thrive, the Eye Lift Waterproof Primer. So these 5 products here. I'm going to say for the plus, I was pleasantly surprised. I do love the palette, the brushes, the Thrive Cosmetic product, and the Professional Super Setter. The 111 Skin, I wish that they wouldn't have put it in here since it was just featured in last month's box. But I mean, a lot of people like this product, so hopefully you'll get it in one of my giveaways. So I was pleasantly surprised and pleased with the plus this month. I really, really like the plus. The Glam bag was good, but the plus was better for me this month. So yes, my loves, that's all that I have. I mean, I'm done already. It feels so quick. Make sure you let me know your choices down below. Let me know what you think of the products that I received. I thought for this month they were pretty decent, and I enjoyed them. So I'm looking forward to creating some looks and using some of these products. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please, please, please do so. Give this video a big thumbs up, guys. It helps my channel out. Even if you thumbs down it, which I don't like, but it's cool too. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of those links are down below. I do have an Ipsy link that is in the description if you want to sign up. I want to thank Ipsy for sending this box to me. I greatly appreciate it. I want to thank you guys for listening to my honest opinion and trusting that what I say is true. But I love you guys. I will talk to y'all in the comments and in the next video. I love you guys.